What's up, you guys? I'm back today with another vlog.
Skinny girls weak, them hoes don't compare. Junk in the trunk looking like two pairs.
All I do is stay up all night, losing sleep over you.
Guys, I am in New York for a whole week. I'm here. I have a few events. I'm gonna see some family. I want to get my grub on, eat some good food. I just been missing home. So I'm here for a whole week. It's day one. We got here yesterday. I just got up, got myself together, and I'm ready to hit these New York streets. I definitely want to go do my nails and stuff. Y'all know nobody does your nails like the hood. I'm gonna go to the hood, go let them hook me up. Go see Ronnie's mom, go see my mom, go get something good to eat. I don't know, and I need to do some prep for my first event. My first event is tomorrow. It's nothing too crazy. You know, I'm a pro at this. I'm gonna put this together. Easy peasy, right? Yeah, I cannot believe I'm wearing a leather jacket. Yeah, it is so cold here. Well, not so cold, but yo, it's 90 degrees home in Florida. I call New York home, Florida. They both my home. Yeah, it's 90 degrees in Florida that I just left yesterday. And here, I think it's like 40. I hope I don't get sick. It's gonna be, I'm saying I hope I don't get sick. Yeah, I got a new tattoo. I did a whole vlog getting my new tattoo. You can't even really see it. I'm always running on tangents. Oh, good morning, Papa.
It's good.
Oh. Okay, that's all he got to say to y'all today. All right, anyway, y'all. We about to go head to the first stop. I don't know where we're going first, but we shall see. It's cold. 40 degrees. Yeah. I have an actual jacket on. It's crazy. y'all. That's the infamous nail salon. When I was filming that day and they started fighting, the girl and the guy started fighting out here. I'm waiting on a freaking parking spot so I could, oh, somebody coughing. Let me close my window. Hell no. Yeah, I'm just waiting for a spot so I can go in and do these nails. I still be like super, nervous. Anytime anybody's coughing and stuff, I feel like I want to like go into a shell. Like, try to stay away from people. People still be like all up on each other. I can't do it. Like, I just literally cannot do it. So my nails is done. You can't even, I'm gonna flip the camera around in a second and really show you. So now I'm about to go and get some stuff and prep for my event tomorrow. We're gonna go see Ronnie's mom, and then I'm gonna go get something to eat. I'm hungry, and probably take a nap before I go clean some meat, all this meat and stuff. I was up since early today. Like, I know I'm not like an early person. I've been up since like 6 o'clock this morning doing stuff. But let's go to the supermarket. Let me get something to eat. I'm hungry.
I want to get a sandwich from Atlantic Eye.
Me too. I want to chop cheese. You want to chop cheese too?
You know it, man.
Okay. Alright, so we about to go get a chopped cheese, y'all. Let me show you my nails. He's looking at people. He's picking up something off the ground, right? He always bothers somebody.
It looked like he was giving it CPR or something.
But, alright, yeah, so this is my nails. I did like a lime green. It's different, right? See, it's coming, it looks yellow on camera, but it's really lime green. Yeah, so now I'm in the supermarket getting stuff for my Google event tomorrow. They order candy yams. Yeah, I'm just working. Okay, I got my yams, nice big bag. Oh, I need some scotch bonnet peppers. They order rice and peas. Let me get that. Hold on. Look at how nice and fresh this meat looks. This is like one of the only places I go and buy meat from. Look at how good it looks. So, get us some meat. Is this boring, y'all? Let me know if this is boring. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm just working. This is what I do. Let me look good. Yeah, I almost forgot my coconut bar. How I'm supposed to be making coconut rice and peas with no coconut bar? Y'all, I gotta have this, so let me grab that. Okay, so I need a couple of more big pans. Look. They 2 for $149 here. In other stores, they like more than $1 each. I need 2 more. I already have pants, but I need a couple more. So I need these 2 and the lids. I think that's about it. There's the meat. Got all my stuff. Once again. Oh, my stuff.
I felt it was gonna roll off or something like that. That's what it was right
Time to roll. Ooh, that's a lot of yams.
Yeah, okay, perfect.
13 pounds. Dang.
Okay?
Yeah, thank you.
You go.
I'm over here on the block, y'all. He has incense and oils. I'm about to go. Oh, hi. I'm about to see if he has this oil called Lick Me All Over. That's the name of it, right? Isn't it Lick Me All Over? They don't have the oil I want, but I think I'm gonna get a couple belts. Look, they got belts, $2. I could always use some belt. I do. That's the one I want. I don't want it that oil. I don't want it to
And then they would cut it,
What do you mean cut it?
like right there where the stitch is,
Uh huh.
and then put it through the buckle area. I guess it depends on what kind of buckle you have, because the guy had a Gucci one.
That's what it is. I have a Gucci
Gucci
belt. I have a Gucci buckle, but my belt itself, one
It's
of the
deteriorating.
yeah. So I wanted to switch it because my hole is like stretched out.
Yeah.
I pause. That's crazy.
This one here got this screw.
It has the screw. No, I want the one with the buttons.
Yeah, the button.
The buttons, because I could just put it on. But y'all don't have the Lick Me All Over for the oil burner? That's what I want, the oil burner
You
one.
know, you could try. Daddy is the African man now.
I'll be back, yeah. So you guys, we're at our favorite deli right here on Atlantic Avenue. About to go in here and get our chopped cheese. Okay. Alright, y'all, look at my chopped cheese. Y'all see that?
Sure, I see that joke.
You taking off your coat, you getting ready. You getting ready. Y'all, look at my chopped cheese. Oh my gosh. And here it goes, Ronnie. Ronnie gets his like just plain, just mayonnaise, cheese, and ketchup, and chopped meat. I got lettuce and tomatoes and onions on mine. Oh, that's a big bite. Yeah, look at this. Y'all see that?
Nigga, when you was locked, nigga.
Don't slip up or get caught.
Why not, man?
I'm coming for that #1 spot.
All right.